I'm Michael Fonder. I'm a researcher at the University of Liege in Belgium. Those 3 weather stations were installed in Greenland as part of the Katabata project. So this project is financed by the University of Liege and especially by 2 professors that are Damien Ernst and Xavier Fetoise. And the aim of this project is twofold. So the first part is to validate the climate models we have for South Greenland, or for Greenland overall, because Xavier Fetoise is a climatologist and has developed the current state-of-the-art climate model for Greenland. But we are still lacking some data to validate this model, and so installing those weather stations in some critical points allows us to validate the predictions of the model. The second major aim of this project is to assess the potential of South Greenland for harvesting wind energy, because based on current climate models or climate simulations we have from South Greenland, we observe that there is really a lot of strong and constant winds that are blowing there. And so these winds make South Greenland pretty perfect for installing wind farms at a large scale. And this would be really interesting to speed up the energy transition towards renewable energies.